If you're looking for the best apps that can turn your retirement into a step-by-step plan, then you're in the right place. But here's the thing. You're probably thinking there's a lot of flashy apps out there, right? Some of them sound good, but how many are actually going to help you achieve your retirement goals without complicating your life even more? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down the apps that don't just promise an easy solution. They deliver. Now, most retirement apps are designed with one-size-fits-all solutions in mind, which is why they don't always work. But what if you could break it down step by step, get personalized advice, and track your progress without a million extra steps? That's what we're talking about today, and I promise there's one app I'll mention that could be a game changer for you. But more on that in a bit. Stay tuned. I'll reveal it toward the end. Let's start with the basics. The app that gives you an automated retirement plan, making it so simple even if you've never thought about retirement planning before. Think of it like a virtual financial advisor without the hefty price tag. You input your current savings, goals, and risk preferences, and bam, the app creates a personalized roadmap for you. Not only that, but it adjusts automatically as your situation changes, giving you a clear path forward. Next, let's talk about a completely different approach. Apps that track your spending and guide you to save more efficiently. These apps go beyond just budget tracking. They actually help you allocate more towards your retirement without you even realizing it. Picture this. You're out shopping, and instead of swiping mindlessly, the app alerts you, hey, you could save 10% more if you delay this purchase for a few days. It's not just about limiting spending, it's about empowering your decisions with a little nudge. Now, onto the part I know you've been waiting for. The app that helps you plan your retirement lifestyle. I'm talking about the one that doesn't just track your savings. It helps you plan your life, your hobbies, and your well-being in retirement. This app goes deeper, asking you questions like, where do you see yourself living in 10 years? What will your day-to-day look like? And it uses those answers to give you a custom plan, telling you how much you need to save based on the lifestyle you want. It's personal, it's dynamic, and it's exactly what you need to think about before retirement. Trust me, I've seen so many retirees fail to prepare because they didn't plan for this part, and this app fixes that. And now, I'm going to mention the app that really sets you up for success. Unlike the others, it focuses on helping you take the steps needed to get from I'll start saving someday to I have a solid plan in place. This app breaks everything down into small, manageable tasks. It's almost like a retirement to-do list, easy to follow, keeps you accountable, and helps you stay on track. And, unlike other retirement apps, you'll never feel overwhelmed. The secret to its success? It focuses on one thing, getting you to retirement without all the extra fluff. So you've got your spending, saving, and life planning apps. But let me tell you something. You won't get far without a good investment strategy. That's where the apps that teach you about the stock market and investment options come in. These aren't just, let's check your balance apps. These apps teach you the basics of investing, help you understand the ins and outs of the market, and give you personalized suggestions based on your financial situation. Think of it like a mentor right on your phone, guiding you through how to invest smartly for your retirement. Finally, don't forget about the ones that help with taxes. Apps that make tax planning easier are absolutely essential in retirement. They keep track of your deductions, forecast how much you'll owe, and show you ways to save on taxes year after year. These apps make sure that when you start withdrawing from your retirement accounts, you're not hit with an unexpected tax bill that derails your plan. All right, we've covered a lot. But here's the deal. There's one app that I think is the most powerful. It integrates all of these features into one streamlined experience. It's like the Swiss Army knife of retirement planning. It tracks your spending, helps you save, educates you on investments, and keeps you on top of taxes, all while planning out your retirement lifestyle. Most apps do one thing, but this one does everything, and it's only getting better. But I'm not here to get you stuck on affiliate links or commissions. This isn't about me making money off of your choices. It's about you making the best decisions for your future. If you got value from this video and want more content that doesn't come with hidden incentives, like affiliate commissions, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'll be posting more videos to help you make smarter financial decisions and get your retirement planning on track. No strings attached. Thanks for watching.